Hello, everybody. In this opportunity, we are talking about product development. Product development refers to the complete process of taking a product from idea to market. It also describes the process of renewing an existing product or introducing an old product to a new market. This includes identifying market needs, conceptualizing the product, building a product roadmap, launching a product, and collecting feedback. New product development especially refers to creating a new product from scratch and bringing to a market. The process doesn't end until the product life cycle is over, and you can continue the product development process after launch by collecting user feedback and iterating on the product and developing new versions. Although product development is creative, it requires a systematic approach to guide the processes required to develop, test, and get new products to market. Organizations such as the Product Development and Management Association, as well as the Product Development Institute, help businesses select the best development framework for a new product or service. This framework helps structure the actual development of the product. And then we move to the standard stages of progress in product development. There are many steps to this process, and it is not the same path for every organization, but these are the most common stages through which products typically progress. The first, identifying market need. Products solve problems, so identifying a problem that needs solving is where this journey should begin. Conversations with potential customers, surveys, and other user research activities can inform this step. The second, quantifying the opportunity. Not every problem is problematic enough to warrant a product-based solution. However, the pain it causes and the number of people or organizations its impacts can determine whether it's a worthy problem to solve and if people are willing to pay for a solution. The third, conceptualizing the product. Some solutions may be obvious, while others may be less intuitive. Here is where the team puts in the effort and applies their creativity to devising how a product might serve its needs. And the fourth, validating the solution. Before too much time is spent prototyping and design whether the proposed solution is viable should be tested. Of course, this can still happen at the conceptual level. Still, it is an early test to see whether the particular product idea is worth pursuing further or if it will be rejected or only lightly adopted by the target user. The fifth, building the product roadmap. With a legitimate product concept in hand, product management can build out the product roadmap, identifying which themes and goals are central to develop first to solve the most significant pain points and small adoption. The sixth, developing a minimum viable product or MVP. This initial version of the product needs just enough functionally to be used by customers. The seventh, releasing the MVP to users. Experiments can gauge interest, prioritize marketing channels and messages, and begin testing the waters around price sensitivity and packaging. It also kicks off the feedback loop to bring ideas, complaints, and suggestions into the prioritization process and populate the product backlog. And then, how to create a product development plan. How product development is done varies depending on the organization creating it. However, a general plan should include the following steps. The first, identify a product need and business case. Using practices such as test marketing and surveys, organizations can gauge interest in a product. This ensures the product has a strong reason to be created given the business model it's based on. And then the second, create a product vision. This covers determining the purpose of the product, what it does, who it's for, and what the product design is. Having these details in place also determines the scope of the project and helps project managers craft the guiding principles for the work. And then the third, draft a roadmap. Once the project has been envisioned conceptually, an actual roadmap or detailed plan of action can be created. The roadmap aids in identifying what goals should be met. Implementation teams create schedules, break down significant portions of the projects into sprints, and generate iterations of the product. The fourth, implement the roadmap. With a roadmap in hand, iteration of the product can be made, reviewed, and improved upon. This identifies weak areas of the product as well as helps development teams fix and improve it. And the fifth, continue with development and assessment. Development teams work on enhancement and changes to the product. This time, customer feedback is gathered to improve the product based on customer input. I think it is enough for this session. Thanks for watching. And don't forget, give this channel with your like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you.